Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. And we're going to take a look here at SBUX. Now, this is a trade we just closed out. This is a swing trade from yesterday. It's what we call momentum options alert trade, so MOA trade. And this was the alert I sent out yesterday morning. Right here, this is pre-market. I arrived. I was trying to get a picture where I could show it, but it came out at 8:56 a.m. before market open. But here's the SBUX alert right there. SBUX bullish breakout triggers above 90.65. Initial target was 91.50, and then we were looking for or 30% on the options, whichever came first. And then we were looking for runners, and that's what we closed out today. The runners, which we held overnight and played out really well. So what we were watching for with SBUX was this breakout through well-defined resistance at 90.65. So you had pivot high 1, pivot high 2. And we had this higher pivot low leading into the bullish breakout. In addition to that, we had nice strong momentum on the MQ2 momentum suggesting it should follow through. Ended up popping through that resistance, and even though the market was selling off yesterday, SBUX performed really, really well. We actually had a great day yesterday with several different trades that outperformed the market quite a bit, and ended up catching a very, very nice run on SBUX here. And like I said, I just closed it. I closed it around 90.50 or 93.50, excuse me, on the runners. So it's getting a little bit extended now. We've now run from about 86, 85.50 area all the way up to almost 94. So again, we're getting a bit extended. Our next resistance up here is going to be around the 94 to 95 area. So again, we're coming into that resistance zone now, 94, 95, and I expect it to get a little bit of a pullback from there because of how extended we've gotten. But this is just a really good example of exactly what we look for with momentum options alerts breakouts. Is well-defined support or resistance. We have defined risk on the trades, and we have supporting indicators saying that it should follow through, giving us that momentum confirmation. And so far, year to date, we've been doing really well. I mean, I know the markets have been pretty hot this year, but if you look here, our accounts right now, year to date, I mean, we're up 19.6%, so just about 20% year to date already. Catching multiple really good moves. So market's hot. We're catching most of them. If we do not have a setup, though, that we're ready for, we don't go chasing stuff. And that's what it's all about. I mean, today, for example, all we did was close out trades. We didn't put on any new trades. It was just waiting. We didn't have any market setups that we really wanted to jump into. And that's part of trading. But overall, not a bad trade in SBUX. Great job to everybody that's in Momentum Options Alerts. If you want to learn more about that and what that program is, I send you specific trade setups whenever I see them and give you targets, and everything's defined. There's a rules-based approach to how we trade it and what we trade it, which options we choose, etc. It's just straight up buying calls or buying puts, just directional options plays. And we have, in the past 4 years, a nearly 70% win rate. It's like 69.4% win rate. So not bad at all overall, with an average reward risk of 1.5 to 1. But if you want to learn more about that, just go to basecamptrading.com. If you want to join us in the trading room and get these trades live, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description. But that's it for today. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.